This video will take you up the beautiful escarpment of the Gibson Range National Park. We'll travel from Grafton through Dadgery, stop at a rest stop, and then head up through the ranges and get to Washpool National Park, where we will then set up our camp and we'll have a look around Bell's Campground. Hope you can join us. The map, fire, flood, national park information, as well as the photographic equipment that I use, if you're interested, can all be found down in the link or to the description below. And while you're there, give us a like if you like the video and subscribe if you want to catch more of our adventures around northern New South Wales. About 35 minutes drive, about 40 k's up the road. The first stop we'll get to is at Dadgery, and this is an old mining town which overlooks the stunning Man River. And there is a rest stop to your left that you can stop at with some toilets and basic amenities, and there's also a caravan park just across Man River up onto your left. A lot of people come here because of the beautiful canoeing that can happen on Man River, although when we went through, the river was pretty low, which means a lot of portage would have to happen in order to have a long expedition down the river. It's also worth noting that there is a petrol station, small shop, which you can get takeaways, and there's actually even a bottle shop there as well.
Is that a pretty spectacular view?
As you make your way up the steep range through Gibson Range National Park, please be mindful that there's plenty of animals that walk along the road. We did see quite a few, including this goanna that we had to wait until it got off the road. Fortunately, it got off the road and it was fine. You'll find through driving through here some beautiful stops that you can look at with some amazing views. Well worth stopping and having a look at. So we're making our way to Washpool National Park, northwest of Grafton and east of Glen Innes, and this is a really beautiful part of the north coast, and it's really got some amazing walking tracks, and those of which we'll discover a little bit later. Probably got down there as well. Yeah, I think they do. There's Bellbird, there's Coachwood, Barger, Granite, Lookout, picnic area, Bellbird camping area. Yes, this is the walk. Right. It's pretty impressive. I think it goes down a hill. Some description. Or we can go to the next one down, right? So we can walk all the way around. Does that look like a walking? Yeah, that's the 4-day one. It's like challenging 100k network. How long's this one? 11, 9 number Combarger walk. Yeah. Got 11. Number 11, Washpool walk. 8.5 kilometres. 3.5 hours, so to hurry up. Oh, well, I don't think we'll do it today. Not doing it. You'll notice on the video, as soon as we stop at Washpool National Park, there is the cicada, which is an amazing animal in itself if you read up about it. But it is noisy, and all throughout spring and summer, depending on the season and the rains that have happened, you can find a lot of cicada noise or a lot of cicadas in the Australian bush. We're heading to Bellbird camping area, and we'll show you a little bit around that. And in our next part, we're going to take a walk down through the Coachwood picnic area and the lyrebird walk and spot some lyrebirds, as well as and have a look at some different camping sites and have a walk around the forest there. We hope you can join us. So we go right, and then we go left, then we go left, and then we go right. Where's the Washpool one? You keep walking that way. So it comes to T, we've got to turn left. Okay.
This looks like a river here.
Hmm.
Creek.
Okay. So we've got to have the creek to our right. Otherwise,
So there's another camping ground here. Quite interesting. Mind
Yeah.
having a look at that.
Go up there, shall we?